Hello, today we're going to do a science experiment about an unleakable bag. First, we're going to need a baggie, 4 pencils, and we're going to need some water. So first, we're going to fill this bag with water and stick the 4 pencils in. And it's really cool because then the baggie doesn't leak. But, here, follow me. Alright, so first, I'm going to fill this with water. This might take a few minutes. Alright, I'll be back. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Where are you going?
Alright, now we're going to poke the pencils in. So we're going to...
Are you going to put water inside it?
Alright, so here's the bag of water.
Can I see, Milo?
That through.
Can I see?
See, no leak. So we're going to poke
I can't see.
this through.
I see.
Kate, stop. This through. Still doesn't leak. Let's poke a 4th one. See, it doesn't leak. It's an unleakable bag. And so, if you want to watch another science experiment or do this at home, you can. So, have a fun time doing this. My next video, I'll teach you another science experiment.